everybody, welcome back. Everyone that is new, hey, welcome. I'm so excited that you're here. We are 856 subscribers. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for the support, and also thank you so much to my OG supporters, my original supporters, as well, that you guys been here throughout my journey. I am on a journey to become debt free, and also I want to have 1,000 subscribers before this year ends. If not, let's see how much we can get. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, because starting next year, every thumbs up equals $1 for me to save, okay? So yeah, so you guys can get used to that. I believe I have $90, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Ooh, 90. All right, $90, you guys. Happy Tuesday. Oh my goodness. Happy Tuesday. I will not be doing how much money do I make vlog video, because I did not get the response that I thought I was, because few people have asked for it. So I tested the waters again, and yeah, so no more. So sometimes you gotta give it a try, because you never know what's gonna happen. I may sound like I'm running out of air, because that's I was running up and down the stairs right now, so I could get this video going. So yeah, we're not gonna do the cozy one because it's new, and I don't want to do that one. I want to get it going to other ones that has been here for a minute. All right, we're gonna go ahead and stuff the $16. You guys, were getting so close, so close. This one's gonna be a good one, a good one. All right, $16 on that one. I can't wait to finish it. I am so excited to finish that one. It's a lot of money that will help towards my dad. All right, here we go. Awesome. Are you guys doing anything excited for this week? Let me know. How's shopping going so far for Christmas? I'm sure you guys are starting to shop. I've gone to the stores. For those that know, I go literally almost every day before work. I have 10 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and skip this one. I have 10 minutes. I go Hello Kitty hunting. And yeah, there's that, okay? All right, we're gonna go ahead and do Color Me Christmas. I'm not gonna color, I'm just gonna do the little box, but we're gonna go ahead and do the $5 ones right here. And just like this, okay? Like that. It's not perfect, but it's okay. It would do the job. So $5 on this one. Super cute and adorable. So like I was saying, the stores are getting super duper busy. And I'm like, oh my goodness, I can't believe Christmas is almost here. It's next month. So it's like, oh, wow. All right, next is going to be this from Taylor. We're going to scratch this one right here. Let's see. It looks like that's $8. Oh my goodness. Yes, $8. Okay, awesome. By the way, guys, how's the weather where you at? Let me know. Here in Alabama, it's starting to get a little cold. Like, we have a bipolar weather. That's all I have to say. 5, 6, 7, 8. I've always said that. We have a bipolar weather. So today is actually chilly. It's like 65, I think. If I'm not mistaken, it feels good outside. But it's been super hot, and I know I've seen some people like in the budget community posting on Instagram stories that they have snow, and I'm like, I'm jealous. Okay, I'm jealous. All right, let's go ahead and color the avocado here. But yeah, I'm like, oh my goodness, you guys. I'm like, I want to have a snow day type of day, So yeah. All right, let's do the coloring. I'm sorry, I know I should have just done this off camera, but you only live one, right? You only live once, so yellow. Oh my gosh, am I too old to say that? I remember back in high school, We used to say that so much, and we're like, you know what? Yellow. We would text it and everything, and I'll be like, oh my gosh. Now I feel like that's so old. It's a little rusty. All right, so that one's $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys, we only have 2 left to complete. Oh, that's so exciting. Cannot wait to finish it either. All right, there we go. Awesome. Alrighty. Next is gonna be the rainbow, and this one I only have 2 left. Let's see how much this one's gonna be. Oh my gosh. Oh yes, $2. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna do the other one. Should I? No. I'm not going to. It's okay. Look, perfect. Oh my goodness. Awesome. All right, so that means by next time, I'm for sure gonna finish that one. There's no way I'm not. All right, awesome. Okay, so the light is not super bright, as you can tell. Oh my goodness. And that's because I'm always using natural lighting, okay? And outside, it's very gloomy looking. It's windy and gloomy. It wants to rain. I don't know, but there is that, okay? So that's why it looks like that. All right, next. This one is new. It is a little Happy Mail Fun. I've been thinking that I might use this for next year. I know how some of you guys have mystery boxes or Black Friday sale, which I'm actually looking forward for Black Friday calendar that Savannah will be dropping, I believe, on Black Friday. Sav Saves. Oh my gosh, I want to see what she's gonna drop. I don't know why, but I really want to get it. I don't know. She makes cool stuff, so I'm excited for that. I really want to get that. All right, I also bought another item that is Christmas too. I'm not gonna tell you, but I did, and I'm like, oh my gosh. I was so excited that I bought it. I almost missed out on it. Well, I did, but then again, she was so kind and sweet. And she was like, yes, I still have one more. I'm like, oh my gosh. But anyways, all right, we're going to go ahead and do 15 on this one. Awesome. All right. I'm sure I'm going to save more than $100 on this. Not sure how much, but I know I will. All right. Awesome sauce. All right. Now I'm stuck with only 5s. Oh my goodness, that's not good. That is not good. I don't have 1s. I may have to condense a 5 for 1. We will see. We will see. Why do I always have issue with putting in my money? I've noticed some of you guys, like the fancy dollar, I believe. I think that's her name. She always like puts her cash in there like quick and clean. And I'm like, how? How? Is it just I'm out of practice? Like, what's going on? All right. This one will say 50. Let's do this one. Oh, $5. Yes. Perfect. Okay. Awesome. Oh, yay. All right. Good. Because I don't have a lot. All right. This one is super high. I only have 10, 20, 30. It better be less than 30. But you never know, right? I might have an IOU. So let's do it. Let's hope for the best. Here we go. What do you guys think it's going to be? Oh my goodness. You're kidding. I think it's a 30. I think it's a 30. Hold on. You can't tell because of the money. But let's see. Looks like it, but I don't know. Hold on. Oh my gosh. It's a 31. You guys see that? It's a freaking 31. You know what? I don't want to have an IOU. I actually have $1 over here. Oh my god. I literally have $1. I am not kidding. Look. Literally. I was like, I'm not going to put in this dollar because I'm like, why do I want to have 91 bucks? I was like, nah. But look. Oh my goodness. 10, 20, 30, 1. Oh my gosh. Okay. That worked out perfectly. Next time I might start from here because I feel like I never get to the end. So next time we're going to do that. Okay. Oh my goodness. You guys. All right. That worked out. Yay. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this fun, quick video. And next time we're going to start on the Easter, okay? Let's not forget that because they need to get a little bit of love. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm so excited to see what else will happen next time. But yeah, thank you for the support. Truly means a lot. I promise you it does. I'm so excited. I'm getting closer to my milestone before this year ends, which is 1,000 subscribers, and also those watch hours. And yeah, I'm so excited for 2025. I don't know, I feel like I'm ready for 2025. But yeah, bye guys, I love you.